Grounded theory analysis is a qualitative research method used to develop theories directly from data, rather than testing pre-existing theories. It involves systematically collecting, coding, and analyzing data to identify patterns and concepts that emerge naturally. Grounded theory is particularly useful in understanding social processes, behaviors, or interactions. This method allows researchers to explore data without preconceived notions, focusing instead on insights that emerge during analysis. Example of grounded theory analysis scenario: a researcher wants to explore the factors influencing employee retention in startups. Open coding: analyze interview transcripts to identify recurring codes like career growth, team support, and work-life balance. Axial coding: group related codes into categories such as job satisfaction and company policies. Selective coding: identify employee engagement as the central theme connecting all categories. Constant comparison: compare data from different employees to refine the definition of job satisfaction. Theoretical sampling: conduct additional interviews with employees who recently left startups to validate findings. Memo writing: document insights, such as how career growth opportunities correlate with employee retention. Techniques used in grounded theory analysis. Number 1. Open coding definition: breaking down data into smaller units and assigning codes to describe their meaning. Technique: analyze the raw data line by line to identify key concepts or ideas. Example: coding interview transcripts to identify recurring concepts like trust, conflict, or collaboration. Number 2. Axial coding definition: grouping related codes to form categories and exploring relationships among them. Technique: identify connections between different codes, such as cause and effect or similarities. Example: connecting codes like team support and workplace harmony under the category positive workplace environment. Number 3. Selective coding definition: refining and integrating categories into a central theme or core concept. Technique: focus on one central category and relate other categories to it. Example: identifying workplace culture as the core theme, with supporting categories like leadership support and peer collaboration. Number 4. Constant comparative method definition: comparing new data with existing codes and categories to refine or expand the analysis. Technique: continuously revisit the data to ensure codes and categories accurately reflect the dataset. Example: comparing responses from multiple interviews to refine the concept of job satisfaction. 5. Theoretical sampling definition: purposefully selecting additional data to explore emerging concepts and refine the theory. Technique: conduct additional interviews or observations to validate or elaborate on initial findings. Example: interviewing more participants from specific roles to understand team dynamics better. 6. Memo writing definition: writing notes to document insights, patterns, and decisions during the research process. Technique: record observations, interpretations, and reflections to track the evolution of ideas. Example: writing memos about how remote work flexibility influences employee productivity. When to use grounded theory analysis: when studying processes, behaviors, or interactions in social contexts, to develop theories in areas with little pre-existing research, for generating new hypotheses or frameworks from qualitative data. Applications of grounded theory analysis: healthcare, understanding patient experiences and healthcare delivery. Education, exploring teacher-student interactions and learning outcomes. Business, studying organizational culture, leadership, or consumer behavior. Social sciences, analyzing social movements or group dynamics.